In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add custom statuses in ClickUp so you can build a task workflow that actually reflects the way your team works. ClickUp is one of the most flexible project management tools available, and custom statuses are one of its most powerful features. They let you move beyond the default to-do, in progress, and complete labels and define every stage your work passes through, from review to waiting on clients to approved and beyond. If that sounds useful, please hit like and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get into it. Before we touch a single setting, it helps to understand what statuses actually do inside ClickUp. A status is not just a label, it's a stage in your workflow, and every task lives in exactly one status at a time. ClickUp organizes statuses at 3 levels: the space, the folder, and the list. Whatever level you apply a status to, it cascades down to everything inside it, so think carefully about scope before you begin. If a custom status is relevant to your entire team's space, set it there. If it's specific to one project folder or a single list, set it at that lower level instead. Getting this right saves you the headache of hunting through settings later. Now let's open ClickUp and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to introduce the new status. You'll see your hierarchy listed in the left sidebar. Spaces appear at the top level, with folders and lists nested beneath them. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before proceeding, because status changes affect every task in that container. If you're following along for the first time, starting with a single list is a smart way to practice without disrupting your whole workspace. With the right location selected, hover over its name in the sidebar. You'll notice a small ellipsis icon, 3 dots arranged horizontally, appear to the right of the name. Click that ellipsis to open the context menu for that space, folder, or list. This menu is the gateway to a wide range of settings, but the one you're after is labeled either statuses or edit statuses depending on which version of ClickUp you're running. Click it. ClickUp will open a panel or a modal window showing every status that currently exists for that container. Arranged in the order tasks will flow through them. You can already see how the workflow is structured visually, which makes it easy to decide exactly where your new status should sit. Inside the status editor, you'll see a button labeled Add Status. It's usually a plus sign or a clearly marked call to action near the bottom of the existing status list. Click it and a new entry field will appear ready for you to type. Enter the name for your new status. Be specific and action-oriented with your naming. Something like awaiting review, client approval, or QA testing tells anyone on your team exactly what that stage means without any ambiguity. Vague names like hold or other tend to cause confusion over time as the team grows. If ClickUp prompts you to choose a color for the status, pick one that makes visual sense in context. A common convention is to use warm colors like orange or yellow for status that indicate a pause or a dependency, and cooler colors like blue or purple for active progress stages. This way your board views and task lists become scannable at a glance. One thing worth knowing at this point is the difference between ClickUp's 3 built-in status categories: active, done, and closed. When you create a custom status, ClickUp will ask you or automatically assign which category it belongs to. Active means work is ongoing. Done means the task is complete but still visible. Closed means it's archived from your active views. Most custom statuses you'll create, like review or waiting, belong in the active category because work is still in progress. Getting this right matters because ClickUp uses these categories to power filters, automations, and reporting. If a status is miscategorized, your dashboards and time tracking data can skew in ways that are genuinely difficult to untangle later. Once you've named your status and set its color, review everything one final time before committing. Check that the name is spelled correctly, the color is appropriate, and the position in the workflow list reflects where tasks will actually reach this stage. When you're satisfied, click the Save or Done button. ClickUp will close the editor and return you to your workspace. Scroll through your task list or switch to board view and confirm the new status is visible and selectable. You can drag and drop statuses within the editor to reorder them at any time, so don't worry if you need to fine-tune the sequence later. It's a non-destructive operation that takes only a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom status in ClickUp and tailored your workflow to match how your team actually moves tasks through their lifecycle. The immediate benefit is clarity. Every person on the team knows precisely what stage a task is in without having to read comments or chase updates. The longer-term benefit is that these statuses become the foundation for automations, reporting, and workload views that make your entire project management system more intelligent over time. A natural next step is to explore ClickUp's automations feature, where you can trigger actions automatically when a task enters your new status. For example, notifying a reviewer the moment something lands in the review stage. That single addition can eliminate an enormous amount of manual follow-up. Save this video and come back to it whenever you're setting up a new project or onboarding a team member. The steps are the same regardless of how complex your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.